Sure thing. Here are a few quick and easy breakfast recipes. 1. Avocado toast. Mash ripe avocado onto whole grain toast. Add toppings like sliced tomatoes, a sprinkle of salt and pepper, a drizzle of olive oil, or a poached egg on top. 2. Yogurt parfait. Layer yogurt with granola and your favorite fruits, berries, bananas, etc., in a glass or bowl for a quick and healthy breakfast. 3. Smoothie. Blend frozen fruits, banana, berries, mango, etc., with yogurt or milk, dairy or non-dairy, and a handful of spinach or kale for a nutrient-packed smoothie. 4. Overnight oats. Mix oats with milk, or yogurt, in a jar or bowl. Add sweeteners or flavors like honey, fruits, nuts, or cinnamon. Refrigerate overnight and enjoy in the morning. 5. Egg muffins. Whisk eggs, your choice of veggies, cheese, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Pour into greased muffin tins and bake until set for easy grab-and-go breakfast muffins. 6. Breakfast burrito. Scramble eggs with veggies, peppers, onions, spinach, add cheese, and wrap in a tortilla. You can also add beans, bacon, or sausage for extra flavor. 7. Peanut butter banana toast. Spread peanut butter on whole grain toast and top with banana slices. Drizzle honey or sprinkle cinnamon for added taste. 8. Chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with milk, or a milk alternative, and sweetener, honey, maple syrup, in a jar. Let it sit overnight in the fridge. Top with fruits or nuts in the morning. These recipes are quick and customizable based on your preferences. Enjoy your breakfast.